Discord is an app that allows people to communicate with each other. Discord has a feature called Screen Share that allows you to share your screen with your friends or with anyone while connected to voice. In this video, we will show you how you can watch your friend's screen directly from your mobile device. First, you have to be connected to voice to start watching your friend's screen on the Discord. Now, when your friend will start to share his screen, you will see an option pop up to watch their stream. Once you tap on Watch Stream button, you will be able to directly watch your friend's stream. If you have multiple friends that are sharing their screen at the same time, you can easily switch between them. If you want to watch another stream while you are in a different stream, tap on the Join Stream button. Once the button is pressed, you will see your other friend's screen instead. You can also swipe up to see different options related to the stream that you are currently watching on Discord. You can also video chat at the same time if you want, by tapping the video icon in the control panel.